Hey guys, Kim here from Kim on a Whim. Welcome to my channel if you are new here, and if you are returning, welcome again. I'm glad that you guys stopped by. Today we're going to do a small patio makeover, and I say we're because I have my little helper Mia with me. She's going to help me today, and we're going to start here with the repotting these hostas. I bought some ferns for the front patio and I like them better in this round pot. I tried it in the square one and both of us agreed, not so good. So we're replanting my hostas that go on the back patio here, which make sure you're subscribed to my channel because that's going to be another video coming out where we redo the back patio, because as you can see, it's a little messy. But I hope you guys enjoy this, and we're going to start here and let's get to it. So here we are at the front patio, and there's some sneak peeks here. That's the rug that we're going to be using on the back patio and these Adirondack chairs. But I don't know why we brought everything out onto the front patio, because we just have to move it again so we can sweep and get it ready to power wash. But we're going to move everything back off. And yeah, kind of didn't make sense, but oh well. And Mia is going to be sweeping the patio, getting it ready for power washing, and I'm going to be pulling some of the weeds. Here's a close-up of a few of the spots that we're going to concentrate on with the power washer. One, the chairs and the table sit there, and then the welcome mat sits here. So I don't think it gets as much like rain and wind. So anything that falls kind of just collects there. So it gets a little messier than usual. And here we are with the power washer, which didn't go as well the first time. So we had to kind of tweak it and we got it working. So that's a good thing. So I've noticed a funny thing with my kids, and this still applies to today, now that they're teenagers. If I bring something new home, I can get them to use it. Now this power washer, however, we've had this this will be the second summer that we have this, but Mia still loves this thing. She will pull this thing out to power wash all the time. She says there's something therapeutic about it. She loves watching it just clean off any kind of grime. Is it a little goofy? Yeah. But is that Mia? Absolutely. Mia was loving this shot. She's like, you got to get this shot. I'm going to get all the grime from between the cracks. It's going to be awesome, Mom. So we got the shot, and it was kind of cool looking. But She's so goofy. Make sure you stay to the end too, because we do have some bloopers and it's just goofy stuff that we're saying or talking about. So make sure you do stay to the end to watch that. So while Mia's finishing up some of the power washing still, I'm going to paint this hook that I have for my front door. Right now it's gold, so what I'm doing is just taping off the very top of it because I just want to paint the front of it black so that it just blends in with my door, and you're going to see a wreath that I put up on there. So Mia has one painted thumb and one injured thumb from this project. Now I'm moving on to the windows. I figured we're cleaning off everything. The power washer got so much kind of just stuff kicked up on everything. So I'm going to do a quick washing of the windows out here and wait until you see how excited somebody is when we finally get to start decorating. She does the funniest run and I guess that's why we had everything out on the patio to begin with, because we were just, yes, let's decorate the patio. However, we had to clean it. Mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it. Mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop. I guess the windows got really clean enough to be a mirror. So now we're just going to put away all of the stuff we were using so we can get to decorating. And did you see that little run? Yes, she was very excited to start decorating. Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. So the patio set that you see here, this was a hand-me-down from my in-laws. When they moved, they downsized, and we've had this for, I'm going to say we probably had this for about 10 years now, and I do love this set. It is heavy enough that I don't have to worry with the winds. It won't knock it down, but it is a really pretty set. And then here are the round flower pots that you saw us do the switching of the hostas into the square pot, because the ferns just did look really nice in this flower pot. Now the ferns I did grab at Lowe's, and I grabbed them when they were 2 for $20. I have not seen that sale on again. However, they're not that much more expensive. I think they're only $13 each. So it's about $3 more per fern. But I do love the way that they look, and I do have a shot of them just kind of blowing in the wind here. And I don't know, it's just something very calming and peaceful about that. But this part of the video I kept in real time, so you kind of see it didn't take long as you had just a few pieces that we were putting back. You better turn up. So Mia's going to put our welcome mat back, and then you're going to see the wreath that I did pick for the front door. I decided to go with a boxwood that I bought at Joann's. They were having a really good sale in their store. It was buy one, get two free. However, if you did the deal online, you got it for like $23 because they can't do the buy one, get two free online for some reason. So they just do it at the sale price. So I got the wreath for $23. the hook I had, which because I usually use that for my Christmas stuff. So all in all, 23 bucks. And with a click of a heel, here's the reveal. And it wouldn't be complete unless I had my little pop of yellow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button with the notifications on so you'll see our next video coming out, maybe because I think I'm going to have the kids help me with the back patio. But I hope you guys have an awesome day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
We may be forced to cause a scene, make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my tune to
You're going to be my creative genius today.
Okay.
I should probably have...
What? Oh, Jesus, he scared me.
That's funny.
He was creeping through the entire time.